Hey guys, just want to show you real quick the new 2021 GMC Savana 3500 V8. Comes with the KUV body style. The napide liner. It's great for install, service work, maintenance. As you can see, it's got ample outside storage. Keep all your, cleaners, solvents, everything like that. Torches really reduces the time going inside the interior of the truck for stuff. Great space for the back, condensing units, compressors. You're not moving stuff around. Really keep your van organized with kits, pull-out drawers. This one's brand new, about 2 weeks old, so it's not really fully set up yet. Again, same thing on this side. Great storage for all your stuff. I'll show you the inside of the cab real quick. Other steering wheel, plenty of room. You can keep the cab on the inside pretty much clear. Another great feature if you want to just grab your tools or a part from the inside. Slide that door open, go right out the back. Less time going upstairs or down. No complaints, love it. Drives great, great power. Makes working a lot easier.